Work began in January with the deciphering of the SARS-CoV-2 genome. But a few may succeed in stimulating the immune system to produce effective antibodies against the virus. Here is the status of all the vaccines that have reached trials in humans, along with a selection of promising vaccines still being tested in cells or animals. Phase 1 safety trials. Scientists give the vaccine to a small number of people to test safety and dosage as well as to confirm that it stimulates the immune system. Phase 2 expanded trials. Scientists give the vaccine to hundreds of people split into groups, such as children and the elderly, to see if the vaccine acts differently in them. These trials further test the vaccine's safety and ability to stimulate the immune system. Phase 3 efficacy trials. Scientists give the vaccine to thousands of people and wait to see how many become infected, compared with volunteers who received a placebo. These trials can determine if the vaccine protects against the coronavirus. Preclinical testing. Scientists give the vaccine to animals such as mice or monkeys to see if it produces an immune response. Here are the major companies who's making the coronavirus vaccine possible. In May, the American company Inovio published a study showing that their DNA-based vaccine produced antibodies in mice. Safety trials in humans are now underway in the United States and will start in South Korea at the end of June. Clover Biopharmaceuticals has developed a vaccine containing a protein from coronaviruses. The vaccine would be taken in conjunction with a so-called adjuvant, made by British drug maker GSK, to further stimulate the immune system. Researchers at the Institute of Medical Biology at the Chinese Academy of Medical Sciences, which has invented vaccines for polio and hepatitis A, are running a phase 1 trial of an inactivated virus vaccine for COVID-19. Moderna's Moderna vaccine dazzled the stock market in May with phase 1 data on just 8 people, only to see its stock price drop when experts had a lukewarm reaction to the results. The German company BioNTech has entered into collaborations with Pfizer, based in New York, and the Chinese drug maker Fosun Pharma to develop their Moderna vaccine. In May, Pfizer announced human trials for the vaccine. Another beneficiary of Operation Warp Speed, Pfizer hopes to have a few million doses for emergency use in the fall if all goes well in the trials. The Chinese company CanSino Biologics is testing a vaccine based on an adenovirus called Ad5, in partnership with the Institute of Biology at the country's Academy of Military Medical Sciences. In May, the Maryland-based Novavax started a phase 1-2 trial on a vaccine made up of microscopic particles carrying fragments of coronavirus proteins. The private Chinese company Sinovac Biotech is testing an inactivated vaccine called Coronavac in phase 2 trials and is building a facility to manufacture up to 100 million doses annually. The state-owned Chinese company Sinopharm has started phase 1-2 trials on 2 inactivated vaccine viruses. A vaccine in development by the British-Swedish company AstraZeneca and the University of Oxford is based on a chimpanzee adenovirus called ChAdOx1. Imperial College London researchers have developed a self-amplifying RNA vaccine, which boosts the production of a viral protein to stimulate the immune system. They plan to start phase 1-2 trials on June 15, and have partnered with Morningside Ventures to manufacture and distribute the vaccine. In March, the Trump administration tried to entice CureVac to move its research from Germany to the United States. Researchers at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center in Boston are testing an adenovirus called Ad26 in monkeys. Johnson & Johnson announced in June that they would start phase 1-2 trials in late July. The Swiss company Novartis will manufacture a vaccine based on a gene therapy treatment developed by the Massachusetts Eye and Ear Hospital. A virus called an adeno-associated virus delivers coronavirus gene fragments into cells. The American company Merck announced in May it would develop a vaccine from fascicular stomatitis viruses, the same approach it successfully used to produce the only approved vaccine for Ebola. The company is partnering with the Avi. After the SARS epidemic in 2002, Baylor College of Medicine researchers began developing a vaccine that could prevent a new outbreak. The researchers are reviving the project in partnership with the Texas Children's Hospital. A vaccine in development by the University of Pittsburgh, called Pitcovic, when placed on the skin, the needles dissolve and deliver virus proteins into the body. A vaccine from the Australia's University of Queensland delivers viral proteins altered to draw a stronger immune response. In June, the university and the company CSL announced a partnership. The French company Sanofi will produce viral proteins using engineered viruses that grow inside insect cells. Sanofi has said it could produce at least 600 million doses a year if the vaccine succeeds in trials. How long before a coronavirus vaccine is ready? Here's the latest update. Will we have a vaccine by January 2021? The top infectious disease expert in the US seems to think so. For now, let's stay safe, implement a clean and virus-free environment. Let's unite and we will overcome the pandemic. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed our topic. For more videos, don't forget to hit subscribe below.